Hey, my name is Nyagoah, and this is my save video. This might seem like another one of those boring videos about the importance on how to save money, but let me just tell you, these are some things you might want to remember. First, what you do now will affect what you do later. So if you can skip out on spending money for something today, like that one thing you don't actually need but want, your future self will thank you because you can use that money then for something more important. Second, putting money away in an account or somewhere safe little by little, even if it's a couple bucks or a couple cents, helps. For example, my family, we have this jar where we put all our loose change in. It can come from around the house, the car, someplace random, or from deep within our pockets at the end of the day. You know what I mean? Like that change you find but you don't know where it came from? Yeah. Third, emergencies. We all hear this. Saving money for emergencies is important. But it's true. I know some of you might be thinking, that won't happen to me. But don't you think that one person that got into an accident thought the same thing? Yeah. You never know when things can happen. So it feels good to have some extra money to help you out. So the whole idea is you don't want to be at a high risk for not being able to pay for things like your education, bills, food, clothes, etc. due to not having enough money, which could be covered by the money you save up. So in the end, it's your money, your choice, and your responsibility. I'm just here to help.